Welcome to the Grossman Chevrolet Service Department. When you arrive, pull up to our garage door. When it is safe to do so, drive your vehicle inside the garage to keep you out of any inclement weather. One of our service advisors will greet you at your car door and check your vehicle into our system. Now that you're checked in, let our advisor know if you will be needing a ride from one of our shuttles or if you'll be staying with us in our customer lounge located down this hallway. On the left, you will see a comfortable seating area with a television. We offer free Wi-Fi, coffee, and other available snacks. In our front showroom, you will see additional snacks and beverages, as well as a child play area with space for homework. We service all makes and models here at Grossman Chevrolet, so come see us today at 300 Middlesex Turnpike in Old Saybrook, Connecticut. We look forward to seeing you soon.